Hey, Diana! Little help here? Look out! What are you doing? Diana! Damn! Tough old bugger. Hey! You gonna help?
1 second.
You go. Diana! I need your hack in here!
Shoot now!
Nope! More of them?
Hacking! Watch out! There's more! Yeah!
Glad that's over with.
Me too.
So what were you working on there?
That's a secret. I'll tell you later.
First, we get the power on. Let's move. Don't look now, but we got company.
You really sure you work here?
What? This is my fault? It's over. It's locked.
I can open it.
Emergency lockdown for this area has been disabled. To restore full functionality, please reboot the main power terminal on the top floor.
Here we go. First one down.
Use that one up close.
I knew it. I gonna like this.
Look out! On it. Look out for parking things.
Guess that's that. So where to?
I don't know. Try scanning. Now we can hack a bunch of bots at once. Q, there's a terminal.
Emergency lockdown for this area has been disabled.
That's two.
One more to go. This'll make it easier to hit things harder.
Intruders detected. Please remove them from the premises.
Eat us again. Like a damn rat in a maze.
It really doesn't like you, huh?
Whatever. Let's just get this over with.
Get ready!
This frickin' thing is tough as hell!
Way stronger than the walkers.
Running around like this is taking its toll.
Want to slow down the pace?
Nah. I think we kept the people on Earth waiting long enough. Bots did all the work, leaving him bored to tears. And crime... River.
Are you bored too, Hugh?
Nah, I'm good. Kinda hard to get bored keeping up with your chit-chat.
Let's use this when we're outnumbered. Wow! That one's not that good at long distances.
Emergency lockdown for all on-site locations has been disabled. Please complete a manual reboot of the power plant controller to fully restore operations.
Alright, we made it. Now where do we find the main power terminal?
Wow! You can use that to make bombs stop moving. Breaking the enemy.
Get bombed!
Jump to. Insect. I got him.
Now it's my turn. Yes. It's over. What the heck's going on with the bots here? They all got haywire or what?
I don't think they normally attack humans.
Yeah, well... We better get in contact with Earth before it's too late.
Walkers are pretty crazy. From handling small stuff to knocking out big tasks. They got it covered.
There are no kids here, but if there were, they could probably handle them, too. And with Edith managing the lot, they're always there when you need them.
Man, what should we do? It's just so much easier to let the walkers handle it.
Well, I mean, there's still plenty of work that only a human can do. Like thinking up new innovations, or new business ventures to explore. But anyway, enough slacking. Time to get back to crunching those lab results.
Charge that before firing for best results. On it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Move, Q. We did it.
No one here either. Damn. I gotta hurry and contact Earth. I hope dropping down here somehow leads us back up to the top floor.
Maybe there's an elevator up ahead. That's a lot of lip.
Intruders detected. Please remove them from the premises.
Something's aiming at us. What is that? Look out for parking.
Nope! It's over.
I'll hack the lift if you're ready. Are we there yet?
Not sure. Starting to feel a bit lost.
We can restore the power with that terminal.
Oh, finally.
Lockdown disengaged. Reconnecting primary power. Energy levels at 30%. 40%. 50%. 60%.
Warning. Unauthorized access detected. Severing primary connection. This is Edith. Unregistered guests are forbidden from this area. Initializing sector guard protocol. Scanning. Targets identified. Neutralizing threats.
Neutralize? Us?
Looks like we're gonna have to fight our way through. Get ready. Any idea what the hell this is?
Never seen it before.
So it's not one of your bot buddies? Then I guess we can just go in blasting.
Shoot now! Be careful! Hack him! I got him!
Where'd they get all those missiles?
They were made with Lunathor.
Lucky us, right? How you like this?
Close in on it! Now's your chance!
Take this!
Just like that, Q!
This ain't over yet.
Q! Stay away from the red circle!
Try! Not bad. Dirty bastard!
Q! Let me try! Overdrive protocol initiated.
Whoa! Where did that come from?
I think it really did something!
Yeah, not bad.
Starting pack! Look out!
Alright. Time to kick it. Yes, that's that.
Energy levels restored.
Yeah, baby. We did it! This is how we say, good job. All right. Time's up, kiddo. Show me what you were working on.
Okay.
Ah!